you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the language right here on Deriv. And with that I mean on the traders platform. And I'm using here in the Deriv home tab two softwares, MetaTrader 5 and the Deriv Trader. So I will show you in today's video on both how to change the languages. So the first thing that we are going to do is quite simple, because we open right here the trade option and we select right here CFD standard for the MetaTrader 5 trade and go to the web terminal. Then we select left in the top the three lines where we will find right here language, and then right here we can search for the language that we need. So right now it's staying on English, that is fine, but now you can search for your own language. Now we close MetaTrader 5 and we go back and we go to the multipliers, and that is the Deriv Trader. Then we select right here trade. And then what we're going to do from here is quite simple, because you will find right here the option language. So we select your language and then you can decide which language you want to use. So this is how you can change the language on Deriv. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.